to my channel. My name is Ayana. I'm a licensed massage therapist. I'm also an esthetician. I own a spa here in Tallahassee, Florida. And in this video, I just wanted to make a quick video of inspiration and just imparting some words of wisdom because I'm here at my new location making content anyways. And you might be wondering what this thing is. So I got myself a balloon. This is the number 2, and this represents 2 years since I've clocked in anywhere, which for me is huge. Someone who has been working since she was 16 years old, that's a long time. That's well over a decade, and I've never had to clock in since I quit my job at that real estate company and I went all in with my massage business. I'll go ahead and link the video to me talking about it right up here somewhere. And I just decided to celebrate. I want to celebrate this day like it's a birthday, because for me, it's kind of like the birth of me becoming an entrepreneur for real this time, because y'all know I started my business more than once. And the second time I started it was during the pandemic. And, you know, I was working at a real estate company. We were doing property management. I had to get a desk job because the pandemic happened and I couldn't work in massage anymore. And that's when I decided to go all in with my business. And now we're here at my new location. And so if you stick to the very end, I'll give you a little sneak peek, a little tour. And I do want to make a video talking about how this even happened, because some of you know that I've been mobile for about 4 years. I've had a mobile spa that has done really well because we're the only mobile spa in this area. So yeah, so let's just start with number one. So if you have like an inkling inside of you, if you have like a tugging inside of you that is telling you that you need to start your own business, then do it. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. Most of you are massage therapists. Most of you are massage therapists, estheticians, body contours, whatever it is that you're passionate about, go all in with it. Because when you just put like one foot in, like I feel like the universe feels that, and the universe isn't going to give you everything you need if you don't put your whole self into it, your whole energy, your whole intention. And that's another thing. Have good intentions. Have good intentions for your clients. Have good intentions for your career. Don't just do this for the money, because doing this for the money is going to disappoint you. You're going to feel burnt out and you're not going to feel so good about, you know, owning your business. So that's number 2. And then number 3, I think the third thing that I want to share is to just express to you all that it really is possible to make your goals happen. So if you have a goal of owning a day spa, if you have a goal of, you know, going full time in your business, or if you have a goal of just making more money, making $5,000 a month in your business, making $10,000 a month in your business, it's all possible. And I know this because I've done it and I've helped other people do it as well. So I know it sounds cliche to say, oh, it's possible because I've done it, you can do it too. But now I really understand why people say that, because everything starts with a thought. It starts with thinking about it and then figuring out how you're going to make your vision happen. And of course you need to have like a strategy. Of course you need to plan things out. Of course you need to understand certain things when it comes to business. But luckily we have the internet, and there's ways that you can get help. There's ways that you can get guidance. There's ways that you can get mentorship. I teach a mentorship called SpaBizSuccess, and that has been transformational. And I've been able to work with so many different massage therapists, and I'm just so proud. And it just makes me feel like, you know, me giving, I get so much back from that, if that makes sense. Like now that I'm in the space where I can share everything that I know with you all, I feel just grateful. But yeah, so let me show y'all around. Something cool is that in this location, we have a acupuncture physician. That's actually how I found out about this place, for me to get in here and bring my staff here. That's me. This is the restroom. I don't know if y'all care to see this, but it's pretty simple. Something I'm really grateful about is this area. So this is really cool. I could get to store my supplies. We have another room in here, which is really cool. This is just a little sneak peek, y'all. Have another room in here. And then we have, oh, I need to actually clean this up. I just did a session, so sorry about that. I need to go ahead and flip this room. This was from my last session, 130. So today was actually a $300 day. Had a couple of clients today. And then we have one other staff member taking a mobile session today. So today has been a pretty slow day, I guess you could say. And there's a lot of things I need to do when it comes to the structure of the business now that the business model has changed. I guess the last few things I'll mention is now that we have a physical location, I will be adding different types of services. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'm now a licensed esthetician, so that means I can provide different types of things, and I'm trying to add more staff and just kind of restructure and rebrand everything. And so far it's been, you know, a little hectic because I have so many different things going on. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and start editing some videos. I really hope this video was helpful. I hope I said something that really touched someone, or I hope that, you know, my message really reached someone who needed to hear it. That is my goal in any of the content that I put out on YouTube. But yeah, just go ahead and comment below if you're launching your business this year. When are you launching? When are you starting your massage business? I want to know where you guys are at. And if you already have a business, let me know how long have you owned your business? What's going on? I want to know that stuff too. I want to know who's watching me and what y'all are up to. And I'll also put some other goodies down below as well. But I will see y'all in the next video.